You can't push rope. You cannot expect the person at the bottom of the rope to exert pressure on those above to debottleneck decision-making on issues. The system of management must be designed to resolve issues rapidly. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. For high-performance outcomes, we recommend a 2-hour rule for the resolution of significant issues. What's a significant issue? One which affects the system's ability to meet the promises made to deliver on schedule. When a person receives an escalation notice of a significant issue, they're obliged to make one of two choices: either resolve the issue within 2 hours, or take accountability for any delay caused by the issue in a written response to the person who raised it. In the latter case, the manager signs off on the full burden of the lost revenue and/or the cost of the delay until it has been satisfactorily resolved. If neither of these two options is taken, the person who raised the issue is obliged to bypass their immediate boss without any recriminations and raise the issue with the boss one level higher. Remember, you can't push rope. By mandating all levels of management to follow the 2-hour rule, the stigma of being a dobber is removed, and the tension in the rope is maintained with the pull of policy and behavior set at the top. My course for systems thinkers explores how to embed the idea and realize the benefits of resolving issues rapidly as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the 5 commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click on the link in the comments below.